Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How y'all doing? I hope you all doing great. This is Commander Tank, and this is gonna be, or might be, the shortest video that I'm gonna make, which is the pistol called the VIPER. Now, if you don't know what the VIPER is, if you just search it on YouTube, I think most of the videos that's gonna show up, it's from John Wick movie, chapter 4, when John Wick asking the guy, hey, do you have a pistol? And he said, like, and the guy show him the pistol of $7,500, which, by the way, if you go to their website, it's actually for $7,499. But anyways, this gun, I'm gonna show you guys the gameplay of it, and it's gonna be only one map, and that is factory. Now, I appreciate it all if you guys support me by liking the video, share it to your friends, and hey, tell me about what you're thinking about this gun. Should it be in the game? Should it be not in the game? Should everyone get banned? But anyways, take care of yourself, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, Commander Tank out. Assalamu alaikum. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Let's see how cool this pistol is. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this pistol, man. Man, look at this pistol, man. Look at this pistol, man. Okay. Aw, man. Ah, bro. Come on, bro. Take two. Go ahead. And here we go. Round 2. Together's here. Oh shit. Wait, am I at night? Ah, motherfucker! I'm at night. Oh my god. That's one down. Okay. I'm pushing it. Brother, better make that shot. Huh? Oh. Again, man? Push it, motherfucker. I can't see shit. Where are you? Where are you? Wait, I killed him? Did I kill him? That's two. Oh shit. That was quick. No cap, like that was like really quick. Here it comes. Push it. Oh my god. Oh shit. Ah, motherfucker! Ah, bro.